Hi, good morning to whoever watching this video. I am Nordiana, a student from UTM Skidai. I found the base for this application programming in the browser. I redo it and input more things. In this video I will show the tutorial on how to use the newest programming project given to me. So let's start the tutorial. So welcome to the hospital management system. Then the application will lead you to the login page. You need to enter the password which allows you to access the system. You can press any key to continue. Menu bar will appear when you successfully log in to the system. You can choose the option to continue access it. The first option is input the new patient record. You need to put the patient's name and proceed to fill all the blank provided. Then enter and it will automatically save the information given. Option number 2 will let you enter the new diagnosis information. It will show you the patient's information that's saved earlier. You need to enter the diagnosis information in the blank provided and save it. Here is the example of the new diagnosis information. The 3 allowed you to access the full patient's medical history, the patient's information including the diagnosis information. You can read the information about the hospital in option number 4. Option number 5 allowed you to exit the system. I guess that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching and I hope you able to understand this system's tutorial. Thank you.